Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This is a Rubicon. Very awesome vehicle. It does have steps, which are also your rock rails. This is a one-owner, clean Carfax. Body color hardtop. This vehicle has power windows, power locks, manual seats. It does have AM, FM, satellite radio, Bluetooth, cruise control. It has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And as all Wranglers, it is a 4x4. This vehicle only has 10,600 miles on it. And it is a 4-passenger vehicle. 2 passengers in the back seat. It does have the liners inside the hardtop to help keep it cool and quiet. This is an awesome vehicle, and if you'd like more information, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. It's an awesome vehicle, and you'll only find it at Firkins.